Resources are very much important for human being. World actually pivoting on resources. In the absence of resources, world activities will be stopped. There have several types of resources like human resource, natural resource, mineral resource. And they have also different misconceptions on resources. The first misconception is human being can create resources. Actually, human being cannot create resources. Rather than human being can discover, human being can reshape, or human being can change the format of resources, cannot create resource. Think human being, we invented artificial intelligence, but human being cannot be replaced by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be performed some parts or some activities of human beings, some services of human beings. So this artificial intelligence cannot be replaced by man or human being. So human being cannot create human being cannot create human resource. On the other hand, we cannot create like air, we cannot create like water, but what we can do, we can change the power of water into electricity or different forms of energy. In the same way, mineral resource like well, like gas, we cannot create gas, we cannot create well. What we can do, we can change the power of gas into different forms of energy. Second type of misconception on resources is that the resources are coming automatically. Actually, resources are not coming automatically, rather than we need to make it usable. We need to make it more usable for human being. Think about human being. We need to unlock the potentials of human being. We need to discover the potentials of human being. Human being cannot be used as asset without making the potentials, without unlocking the potentials. So the potentials will not be coming automatically unless or until it discovered, unless or until those are to be discovered before human being. So the resource like human being, resource will not be coming automatically unless or until we discover the potentialities. In the same way, like your natural resource, like our water resource, the water will not be drinkable until or unless we make it usable or purify this. In the same way, there have different types of mineral resources like the well, like gas. We cannot get the gas, we cannot get the well in our hand unless or until we explore this phase, or unless or until we discover this phase or collect these mineral resources. So mineral resources will not be coming automatically, rather than we need endeavor, we need perseverance, we need our diligence. And they have another type of misconception is that on resources is that our resources are unlimited. Actually, our resources are not unlimited, rather than limited in types, in kind, in quantity, or in quality. Think about the human resources. The human resources are not unlimited, rather than limited. We need to be discovered. We need to discover the potentialities of this. In the same way, the natural resource like air, like the water, it is not unlimited, but it will be more limited if we polluting this, if we polluting water, if we polluting air, this will be more unlimited. In the same way, the mineral resources like the well, like gas, like gold, silver, like different types of passages or species, mineral resources will be exhausting or can be running out in overuses or misuses or wasting. So need to unlock the potentialities or need to utilizing properly. Otherwise, these resources will be exhausting. So need to be realizing that our resources are not unlimited, rather than limited, and it will be more unlimited in the case of misusing, wasting, or overusing or exploitation. Finally, our resources are very much important. We need to use these resources very carefully, and these resources are exhaustible. It can be running out from the world, and it can be perished unless or until we are using this properly and correctly with proper manner.